Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the sheet and range you will search. This matters because Excel searches where you direct it. Press Ctrl plus F to open the Find dialog now. In the Find What box, type the exact text or a fragment. You can use asterisk to match any string and for a single character. Once done, click Options to refine. Within Sheet versus Workbook, search by rows or columns and match case or entire cell. These choices control precision and speed of results. Now refine your search to get the right hits. Open Options and pick whether to search the current sheet or the entire workbook. This prevents missed matches. Next, choose Look into target formulas, values, or comments. Formulas hold underlying text while values show displayed results, so pick wisely. Click Find All to see every occurrence in a list. You can click any result to jump to its cell. Make sure to clear filters or frozen panes if results seem missing. Finish by applying changes or troubleshooting. If you want to replace text, use Replace, but first run Find Next to preview each change. This prevents unwanted edits. For structured tasks, use Go to Special to select blanks, formulas, or constants, and then operate on that selection. If expected matches don't appear, make sure no filters hide rows, unhide hidden sheets, and check cell formats. Text stored as numbers or different formatting can prevent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.